Love is expensive. When you're afraid to say no, you paid for it without looking. The dinner, the trip, the gift, the upgrade, the lifestyle, not because you could afford all of it, because saying no felt more expensive. Not financially, emotionally. That is where the relationship trap begins. Because in some relationships, money stops being money. It becomes proof. Proof that you care. Proof that you are serious. Proof that you are generous. Proof that you are not falling behind. And slowly, without anyone admitting it, love starts getting measured through spending. The problem is not generosity. The problem is when generosity becomes fear. Fear of disappointing them. Fear of looking cheap. Fear of changing the standard. Fear of having the money conversation that should have happened months ago. So you pay, you agree, you stretch. You tell yourself, it's fine, but it is not fine. Because every time you sacrifice your financial future to avoid emotional discomfort, you teach the relationship that your boundaries are negotiable. That is not love. That is financial fear wearing romantic clothing. Follow and subscribe for more, and watch out for the next video in the Money Autopsy series, case file number 5, The Relationship Trap, coming out soon.